Hey everyone, welcome to Baby Boom. Here we have to spread happiness through your little one's smile. So we have to together increase the birth rate in your area, prepare your next generation naturally and with good control, nutrition, growth, and health here. So you have to starting with the writing with Baby Boom. So this is here pregnancy incentive rewards and it's encourage actively healthy to both of the men and women and also childbirth event rewards this too, and this is also for the communities for the moms that provide a special community for users to growing together, and there is a happiness through baby smiles. You can see the future of community is decentralized. It is the most reliable and best way to create value of everyone in the realm of decentralized technology. Baby boom token stands with a clear. So this is our like baby boom, and now I want to tell you about our here is the Telegram community where you have to join. Here you can see our total members. This is the ecosystem token that's powering the decentralized birth promotion app. And here is you can see that this is the listed on famous exchange like Io, and here you can see our current value of baby boom, and you can check out our current price that is 0.1894, and you have to mustly join this queue because of this is listed most of the exchanges. And guys, this is also listed on max 2, and here is our price which is 0.19313 USD, and here you can buy this easily. You can order right now, and here is also our this is our Twitter official account. Here you have to just follow us on our all of the social medias account, and this is the toggling decline birth rates with crypto incentives, and just you have to earn rewards by participating. Here you have to follow on the, all of the official's Twitter account, and you have to must join. And guys, this is available on Gate.io and also on the Max Exchange. Here I will tell you, and here you can just check it out. That's we have to keep amplifying the messages trend. Let's we have tool are part of the counter current trends, and now population is declined. That's the means that needs to be addressed. So Elon Musk has tweeted almost 2 of 3 of the Korea will disappear every generation. So population collapse here. You can check out Elon Musk's tweet here, guys. That's on the baby boom token, and these are the now looking for good year, and pretty much nothing tends to be trends. So you have to just update this year, and it's happening tomorrow, 28 November 24, right at 10 a.m. UTC. You have to just come join and ask any questions of there, right? Our Emma sessions, and you have to join this. So you can also check this tweet of the Elon Musk that have said about almost all of the. This is the fertility rate in South Korea. That's here you can check, and then he said about our of all of us. So you have to must join this, guys, and you have to mostly join this. So here is CoinGecko is also a baby boom token, and here you can see our current price that is 0.199, and here you can see our total market cap, guys, and also our fully diluted violations, our circulating total maximum supply, and this is our current price. Here you can easily buy, guys, buy, and this is here you can check completely bluish crop. So I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.